I like to talk about the danger of the microwave. You may say microwave has been here around 15 years or maybe more in our home, and we use it all the time. Breakfast, lunch, dinner is so efficient, it's quick, it's fast, and it saves a lot of time. But something you should know about microwave: they are not safe. They create cancer in stomach and intestine for a lot of people. So please use cookware, glass cookware or ceramic cookware. By reheating your food in the microwave, you create a wave that is called radiolytic component that is not natural and changing the atomic structure, and your body cannot process it. That's why it gives so many diseases.